Hey guys, it's 5 a.m. on a Sunday morning. The neighborhood is still quiet and everybody is asleep, but it's perfect time to get that fire started, make some barbecue. So it's just about 6 a.m. I put those two butts on. You know, the fire's still coming up. It's still getting hot, but this kind of point right here, it seems like it helps put just like a little bit extra smoke taste on the meat. So I got some ribs I'll put on there in about 2 hours, and now just watch the fire, relax. Alright, just about 8 o'clock. Meat's been on almost 2 hours. Starting to get a little bit of daylight out. Neighborhood's waking up. Birds are chirping. It's been rolling really good. This cooker, the firebox is a really nice size. I got that double insulated bottom. Holds a coal bed really good. And it's holding steady all the way down the line. So I just put another couple of logs on there. Nice coal bed down there. Good low and slow fire. I'm using apple wood. We're here in Washington. We got a lot of apple orchards around here, so apple wood's pretty easy to find. And that's just what I got last time, so we're rolling on that. I think probably in about another hour I'll put on some ribs, and we're gonna keep on cooking. So that's getting pretty close to 9 o'clock. I got 3 really good looking racks of ribs here. Got them seasoned up with some of this Meat Church Gospel. Really good stuff. Not a sponsor of the show, but maybe one day. So we got the thing rolling, right about 225. So I'm gonna make a little bit of room and get these ribs on there. Let's see, let's put these all the way back. Got more of the meaty side closer to the fire. That's what I love about the smoker. There's just plenty of room on this thing. Alright, let those roll. Fire's still rolling pretty good. I really love this firebox. I think it's like the perfect size for this smoker. Got plenty of room in it. Good coal bed. Keep it all low and slow. That's almost 11 o'clock. Yeah, sun's kind of coming out. Pork shoulder's been on there about 6 hours, and ribs about 2 hours. Everything's been holding pretty steady, right around 225. I like to cook the ribs kind of slow like that at first, and then I kind of crank it up the heat a little bit, about 275 after about 4 hours, kind of get the fat start to render out. Let's take a peek, see what's going on down here. Oh yeah, we're starting to get good color. I got last night's leftover Buffalo Wild Wings on there, warming up for my snack. Yeah, I don't know, every 30 minutes or so I throw a little bit more wood in there. This nice big firebox here, once it gets hot, it really holds the temp really good, so don't really have to babysit it too closely, but I'm still just chilling back here and enjoying the afternoon. Alright, so pork shoulder's been rolling at about 7 hours at 225, 250, kind of right in that sweet spot. We're going to wrap them up. Man, they're looking pretty awesome. So those, we're going to wrap them up. Let's see where we're sitting actually. $144, $158, $150, $154. Yeah, we're gonna wrap that up, let that roll. I'll kind of crank the heat up a little bit higher and get a little bit more render on these ribs here. Let them go about 2 hours, and I'm going to wrap them up. Oh yeah. Throw a little of that on there. Brown sugar. Kerrygold. Alright, so it's almost 2. These ribs have been rolling at like 275, 300 for about the last hour and a half. So I think they got a good color to them. I'm gonna wrap them up in foil. Probably let them go for about another hour, maybe a little bit longer, just until they're nice and soft and bendable. Oh yeah. Alright, all wrapped up. We're going to keep it rolling. Yeah, close to 275 until that pulled pork is about 200 or so. And then when the ribs are, when you pick them up and they nice and soft and flexible feeling. So could be another 2 hours or so. So back to my chair, kick back. Alright, so I just unwrapped top just to kind of check it. 204 right there. I think this one got a little bit hotter over here. Yeah, that's right on the money. So I'm going to put the foil back onto that one and take it off and let it rest for probably about an hour. Then shred it up. So the ribs, I was just checking these, and yeah, I could tell that they're getting pretty soft. So I think we're gonna, oh yeah, look at those. Yeah, alright. So I think we're gonna unwrap them and leave them on the smoker just for a few minutes, just to kind of crust up a little bit more. And then these things are done. Oh yeah, that's a good looking rack of ribs there. Oh yeah. See how soft those are, but not falling apart. Oh yeah, that is going to be a good eating rack of ribs right there. Alright, these are looking gorgeous. So, time for the moment of truth. Let's cut one out and see what it tastes like. Good. Oh yeah. Perfect. Mm. Well, that was a good cook on a 180 gallon offset. So, you made it this far. Thanks for watching.